Here we are going to learn about the title attribute. So we are still here at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools, and we are making computing easier. So I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number. At the same time, this is my email address. So the skills to learn in this video, the title attribute. So what is the title attribute? What is the title attribute? The title attribute gives a suggested title for the element. The syntax of the title attribute is similar as explained for ID attribute. The behavior of this attribute will depend upon the element that carries it, although it is often displayed as a tooltip when cursor comes over the element or while the element is loading. So example is this. So let us have this example. I copy it. I bring it to my text editor here. Control New, Control V. Then let me continue and finish up. So this is HTML. I copy it. I bring it in to my text editor. I paste it, then I save. And I'm going to save this one as I'm going to save it as title attribute. So I'm going to save it as title attribute. So let me save it as title attribute. .html. Don't forget to put there this extension on desktop and in a folder called website. So I save. So after saving it, so I will come here. So I think you can see h3, meaning that this is heading 3 with the title which is equal to hello HTML. This is the title. So if I finish it and I refresh, let me come here and open it in the web browser. Title attribute. So if I open it in the web browser here, so I think you can see titled heading tag example. So as how you are seeing it here. So so as how you are seeing it here, titled heading tag example. So let us come back to our work here. So I think you can see it here. So if I remove this value here, let me remove the value and I save it again and I refresh this one. Let us refresh it like this. So I think you are seeing it. So titled heading tag. So let me also go back and remove, and I put there this value. So now title equals hello HTML, but now hello.html is not yet explained. So that is why you see we are not having that change here. We are not having any change here, but we are going to see it as we continue. So let us continue. So I think you can see this will produce the following result. So let us check out if this result is same as ours here in the browser. Very good. So we are having the same result. So thank you. We continue. Let us continue to the next. So we are saying that now try to bring your cursor over title heading tag example, and you will see that whatever title you used in your code is coming out as a tooltip of the cursor. So let us see. So let us see it here in the browser. Let us see in the browser here. So you see the word hello HTML. I think you can see the word hello HTML. The moment you dance through the word, you bring the cursor to the word. Okay, I think you have seen the hello HTML. So let's say that you said we removed this with this word and we say hello Martin, and we save changes. So if we come back to our text here and I refresh it and I come to it, you see now it changes to hello Martin. So all those ones are called title attributes. That is how we can add an title attribute. So thank you for watching.